strawberry banana rice flakes milk smoothie or strawberry banana rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast recipes and one of the most unique of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make with the rice flakes recipes and one of the most different of the flattened rice recipes, one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes. We're going to make banana strawberry rice flakes milk smoothie. We've taken around 75 grams of rice flakes, around 75 grams of strawberry, around 75 grams of banana, around 50 grams of sugar. Put in the strawberry, the banana, the rice flakes, and the sugar. Into the grinder. Close and grind well. Pour in 250 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Now open. Now the strawberry banana rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be served into the glasses. Pour the smoothie into the glass. Final strawberry banana rice flakes milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make with the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.